Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be sharing my ultimate favorite lazy girl self-tanners that just for the ones that are not in the mood for self-tanner, not in the mood for keeping self-tanner on, these are my favorites. So it's gonna be a fun one sharing these products with you, but before we get started, please give this a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Join the family. Do not miss out on 3 videos a week. Thank you so much if you do. But if you want to see my lazy girl self-tanner favorites, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay guys, I have 5 products total, 4 in front of me, 1 that I ran out of, so I found it online and I'll just show you guys a picture. I'll also link all of these products in the description box for you, just in case I don't have pricing and stuff off the top of my head. But we can just jump right in. I have 2 face products and 3 body products. So we have a little bit of ground to cover. I will start with the face product first. So the first one is my favorite, all-time favorite facial self-tanner. This is the Dolce Glow Acqua Hydrating Face Mist. I say this is a lazy girl favorite because you don't have to touch the product, you don't have to get your hands dirty, you don't have to blend it with anything. You literally just spray this onto your face and you're good to go. You let it marinate. You can put this on under makeup as well or over makeup, whatever you want to do. But I always do this, if I'm not trying a new facial self-tanner, I pretty much always put this on and I will just spritz it onto my face and that's it. Then I forget about it until my face looks perfectly tanned. So I feel like this is just the perfect facial self-tanner if you don't want to be getting your hands dirty, touching something, having to blend something. It's literally 2 seconds and you're good to go. So I love that. Next is the Loving Tan 2-Hour Express Face Tanning Serum in dark. So this one you do rub it into your hands and then rub it all over your face, but I call it a lazy girl one because you only need to wear it for 2 hours and then you could wash it off. You don't have to sit there in it and let it develop, wait around. It feels gross on your face. This you literally just wear for 2 hours and then you could rinse it off and you are good to go do whatever you were doing for the rest of the day. So I love the look of this. It's the perfect dark tan, which I feel Dolce Glow will get you a good medium to dark, I would say. Beautiful though. The Loving Tan is definitely more on the dark side, but it is so pretty, so natural looking, and I just love the fact that you only have to wear it for 2 hours. So highly recommend. While we're on Loving Tan, I'll show you guys my body one. This is the Loving Tan 2-Hour Express Tanning Lotion. I don't know how well you could see it from the lights, but this is in the shade dark as well. I don't have it in front of me because I used the whole thing up and I just haven't gotten a chance to repurchase it yet. But I did want to mention this one in the video because it's so good. Same exact reasoning for the Loving Tan body one. You only have to wear it for 2 hours. I feel I love that about Loving Tan. The fact that it's only 2 hours. I feel 2 hours passes by in the blink of an eye and then you're ready to get it off your body and you can move on with your day. I feel that's the ultimate lazy girl. I don't want to sit in self-tanner all day or sleep in it all night. I only want to wear something for 2 hours, wash it off, and I can move on. So I feel this is such a good one. And I also love the fact that it's a lotion, it's not a mousse, so I feel the lotion slips into your skin so much easier and it just feels more hydrating and comfortable. So you're getting all of those benefits just in that 2-hour time span. So I highly recommend that self-tanner. I clearly loved it because I used it all. But next up we have one of my all-time favorites, the Bali Body 1-Hour Express in dark. I'm obsessed with everything. By the way, actually, before I move on to that one, the Loving Tan one has a little bit more of a reddish undertone to it. It's absolutely beautiful. No oranginess, no nothing. Bali Body is more of a golden brown, so I guess it just depends what undertone you guys are looking more for. I'm obsessed with this stuff. Every time I wear this one, I get so many compliments on my tan, and it just turns out perfect every time. The consistency of this, it's not like a mousse, it's like a whipped cream consistency. It melts right into the skin. It's so easy to blend. It looks so amazing. Every single time I put this on, like most times when I'm not wearing a new self tanner, I'll grab for this. Like obviously I'll switch between a few, but a lot of times I find myself going back to the Bali Body 1 Hour Express. It's just so good every time, you guys. Like this one you wear for 3 hours and then you are good to wash it off. Obviously with all of these, no matter what time length you wear them for, it takes 24 hours to develop. So you really notice the difference with this the next day. Like I'll put this on, wear it for 3 hours, rinse it off, and then the next day I have like the perfect dark golden tan, and it literally just looks like I like came back from a beach vacation. But it's the fact that you only have to wear it for 3 hours. So you only need to think about this on you for the 3 hours it's on, then you wash it off, then you can go and do whatever else you were trying to do for the day. You don't have to worry about getting self tanner like somewhere. You don't have to worry about getting water drops on your skin and it staining. So I love how simplistic it is and just how perfect it turns out every single time. And I love the whipped cream consistency. Like that has to be one of my favorite self tanner consistencies because it just goes on so perfectly every single time. I just can't get enough. And then last but not least, this is like technically an overnight one. So this one you can wear for 1 hour, or you can wear it like more than 4 hours to get a deep tan. This one is unique to me though. It's the Tan Luxe and Paris Hilton The Future Airbrush 360 Self Tan Mist. It's unique because it's a mist. It goes on clear, and I don't normally like that. Like I will steer so clear from those two things because I just feel like it's a recipe for disaster a lot of the time with just not being able to see where you're applying, and then the mist being very messy. You don't get an even application. Like usually those two things make me run for the hills. Like I'm like, I do not want to try that. But this one, so different. You could do it one of two ways, I think, or if you have a third way, do that. I a lot of times will spray this into a mitt and then apply from the mitt onto my body if I want a more like detailed application. That's technically not the lazy girl version, but it works beautifully for me every time. And this is such a hydrating product to where even though it's clear, you could see exactly where you're applying the product. So I feel like the application is very easy with this. So I love that. The lazy girl way of doing it is obviously just spraying directly onto your body. I feel like, again, like I said, with this, you could see the actual, like, even though it's clear, it's hydrating. So you could see the glow to it. So you know exactly where it's sitting on your body. You know where you're applying it. So it's really easy to see, like, okay, I haven't applied here. I missed a spot here. I can just go right over there. And it's super quick, like because it's a spray and you don't technically have to spend the time like rubbing it into your skin. You literally can just spritz it all over yourself. Maybe do it in the shower though, because it can get a little bit messy with it being a spray and the spray getting all over the place. But just spritz it all over you, have someone help with your back, and then you're good to go. Leave it on for 1 hour for a light tan, more than 4 for a deep tan, and you get the perfect result. I love the color this gets me. This is also like a golden tan, and it's just like I feel like I got back from vacation every time I put this on. I just can't get enough of it. My recommendation is the mitt, but if you want the lazy girl way of doing it, just spray it directly onto your body. You could sleep in it. It's not going to stain your sheets because it's a clear self tanner, so it won't transfer anywhere, which is also the nice part. So wear it for 4 hours, sleep in it, whatever you want to do, but the spray way is the easiest. So that is it, you guys. That's all 5 products. Big recommendations from me if you're looking for a self tanner that is quick, easy, just efficient to use, and if you're not someone that likes to spend the extra time with the self tanner, these are really great ones. So that's all I have. I hope you enjoyed. Comment, let me know what you think about my choices. Let me know what else you want me to do for you. Give this a huge thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, but stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.